What are common hidden car repair costs? Have you ever wondered what might be lurking beneath the surface of your vehicle after an accident? Hidden car repair costs can be a real surprise, often surfacing only after a thorough inspection. These costs can significantly impact your auto insurance claims process and your overall repair budget. Let's break down some of the common hidden repair costs that you might encounter. First, structural damage is a major concern. This includes issues with the vehicle's frame or chassis that may not be visible at first glance. If the frame is bent or cracked, it can lead to costly repairs. Structural repairs are complex and essential for your vehicle's safety. Next, suspension and alignment issues often go unnoticed. An impact can cause damage to suspension components or misalign the vehicle. These problems can affect how your car drives and can lead to further issues if not addressed. Another area to watch out for is mounting brackets, clips, and retainers. These small parts hold body panels and components in place. If they are damaged, they need to be replaced to ensure everything fits and functions correctly. Then there are the electrical systems and sensors. Modern vehicles are equipped with numerous sensors for safety features like anti-lock brakes and airbags. Damage to wiring or connectors may not be visible but can lead to expensive repairs if these systems malfunction. Hidden body panel damage is also common. Damage beneath visible panels, like dents or cracks in splash shields, often requires removing parts to detect and repair. This can add to the overall repair cost. Finally, paint and refinishing costs can increase unexpectedly. If hidden damage extends beyond the initially visible areas, additional surface preparation or repainting may be necessary. From an insurance claims perspective, these hidden damages often lead to supplements. This means additional repair cost requests filed after the original estimate once the full extent of damage is uncovered. Insurance companies may provide initial estimates based on quick inspections, which can underestimate the necessary repairs. To navigate these hidden costs, policyholders should report all suspected damage promptly and request a full inspection from a certified repair facility. Keeping detailed records, including photos and repair estimates, is also important. Understand that initial insurance estimates may be supplemented as hidden damage is discovered. You have the right to choose your repair shop and negotiate for fair compensation, covering all necessary repairs. Be prepared for potential delays in claim processing due to these supplements and insurer reviews. Ignoring hidden damage can lead to further mechanical problems, safety risks, and a decrease in your vehicle's value. Accurate damage estimation and appropriate claim adjustments are vital to ensure repairs restore your vehicle safely and fully.